Okay, today we're going to discuss about BGP, Border Gateway Protocol, and we're going to talk about what we're going to do in our oncoming videos, right? Let me open Microsoft page for BGP and VPN gateway, right? So we've been using on-premises to connect IPsec tunnel through routing. We configured that and access one of the uh, virtual PC in Azure through on-premises gateway, IPsec tunnel, right? So BGP is a standard routing protocol commonly used in the internet exchange, routing and reachability information between two or more networks, right? When used in context of Azure Virtual Network, BGP enables Azure VPN gateways and your on-premises device called BGP peers or neighbors to exchange routes that will inform both gateways on availability and reachability for those prefixes. Go through the gateways or routes involved. BGP can also transmit routing among multiple networks by propagating the BGP gateway LAN from one BGP peer to all other BGP peers. So once BGP learns one routing, it can uh, send the details to other BGP peers so they can learn these routes, various routes here, right? And support multiple tunnels between VNet and on-premises site with automatic failover-based BGP. So you can see uh, active. There are two public IP address we can use to create uh, VPN gateway, right? And we can create two tunnels as well if we need it from on-premises to uh, Azure. So if one tunnel fails, and it will go through the other tunnel as shown in this picture, right? See that? On-premises VPN1, on-premises VPN2. So if one of these tunnels goes off, it will go through the other tunnel, right? That's a very good thing to understand. And then support transmit routing between on-premises network and multiple Azure VNet. So see that multiple gateways through BGP, it will transmit all the information to all other VNets as well, right? See that you can see there are two on-premises sites here, site 5 and site 4. And then the BGP routing is enabled in between all of them, right? And so each one can learn the routes from the other one, right? So that is how they learn. So here is what we're going to do in our oncoming video, right? I'm going to use pfSense firewall here and going to enable BGP routing here. And that BGP routing will create a site-to-site IPsec tunnel in between this test VNet 1 and the on-premises, right? And on-premises, we're going to use 172.16.10.0 range, so firewall's LAN range, and then ESN number, I'm going to use autonomous number, but we're going to use 65050 here, and then you can use in test VNet 1 65010, and then you got a test VNet 2 65020. So all of these networks, we're going to enable use BGP, and then we're going to test, create this setup in our lab and with the Azure as well. And we're going to use one of the machine here to go into one of the machine here, test VNet 2. That's how we're going to check how the BGP working. Also, we can go to each virtual network gateway and have a look BGP peering status, and we can see how they each connected and each shares the routing information among them. All right. I think we'll see you from uh, that video. Uh, until then, thank you very much.